Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable echo recognized speech in developer settings for TalkBack function in Realme 14 Pro phone, where to find it, how to turn it on, how to turn it off. So first of all we need to go to our phone settings, then we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, then we need to tap the Vision tab at the top, then TalkBack. Next, in top right corner here we have this cog menu which we need to open. Next we are looking for advanced settings, and then we need to scroll all the way down pretty much to developer settings. And here we have our options. So echo recognized speech is here. As you can see, it's a simple on or off switch. Now the option is enabled, now it's not. It's a pretty simple on and off switch. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.